I got this first log down to 33. It's the mx34, but you can see it clearly can't make it through there. What you have to do, you have to, if you haven't dealt with a log that's too big for your mill, you just have to kind of nibble it off. And so I'll come up here, not cut where I can, rotate it, cut where I can, and in 4 cuts I should be able to get it to where it'll fit through the guide blocks. I don't know how I got confused, but I was saying a while ago, and actually I've been telling myself too for quite some time, that I needed 72 2x4s. I don't. I need 48 2x4s. I don't know where I got 72 from. On a 12 by 12 building, I always figure 1 2x4. I'm talking about wall studs now. 1 2x4 per foot. Now they're 16 inches on center, but you're going to have a couple places where you might have 2. And so I always calculate 1 per foot on any building, really. 10 foot, it'd be 40 2x4s is the way I look at it. Now I'll probably end up getting 50 out of this, but I only need 48. I should be able to get all the 2x4s out of it. But like I said, I know, I'm almost certain I said 72, because I sure had wrote down 72 for some reason, but I don't need 72. But I'll just come here, I'll slice through, and get it, you know, like I do, not round, and then start cutting. This first blade is the last blade from the last time I used the mill, which was a couple days ago actually. So all I'm gonna do is just square up, because I don't remember how much I cut with it. Heck, for all I know, I put the blade on and it made 1 cut. I don't know, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna square this up and I'll change blades.